Let's look at the pattern beside it. It looks slightly more complex, but it's actually a combination of these, combined into a petal pattern. Let's demonstrate. Use color 1, 4 strands for stitching. Divide this flower into 3 parts. Start in the flower center. Stitch 2 stamens in this area. Then layer by layer to form a large flower. Let's start from the center. Bring up in this center position. Don't make it too long, since it's a stamen. Too long would look strange. Take down about 1 stitch length below. Insert needle vertically upward. Take another needle of similar size. Insert it close to the side. Insert vertically upward. Hold thread with one hand. Wrap once around your thumb, creating a crossed shape. Hold the loop and slip onto both needles. Let's wrap again. Wrap around your thumb. Must create a crossed loop. Not like this. This way won't work. Must create a crossed loop. Then slip on. Here I made 4 loops. Since it's a stamen, keep it fairly short. Remove the unthreaded needle first. Hold loops tight. Push needle upward. Take down. Adjust slightly. Stitch another cast-on stitch of same length beside. Same 4 loops here. Same as the previous one, creating symmetry. Take down. We can also change to another color. Here we'll use color 4, 4 strands. To stitch the petals, bring up 1/3 along the side of the stamen. Bring needle around to opposite side, and insert vertically forward. Again close to this thread. Take another needle of same size. Insert close beside this needle. If this feels difficult, you can rotate the hoop. Adjust to the most comfortable position. Then proceed with looping. Here we'll make it slightly longer, creating a wrap. If you're not used to using your thumb, you can use your index finger, also creating a loop with a crossed point. After each loop, push loops together, creating tight, seamless alignment. Here I made 13 loops. Remove the unthreaded needle first. Hold loops down and pull thread. Adjust its direction. Take down. Wrapping around the stamen like this. Stitch another one opposite. Same size cast-on stitch. Bring up at the 1/3 point on this side. Bring thread around to opposite side. And insert vertically forward. Again close to the exit thread. Insert both needles. Follow these steps. To loop this side too. After looping, remove the helper needle. Hold the loops with your hand. Adjust the shape with needle. Take down. The petals wrapping the stamen are complete. Now stitch large petals outside. You can change color. Use color 5, 4 strands for stitching. Bring up at the 1/3 point of second petal. Take down at vertical opposite here. Push needle forward. Insert another needle of same size. Push both needles to same height. Proceed with looping. Make this one longer. Adjust its direction. Take down. Same process on this side. Layer by layer. Adjust slightly with needle. Arrange the petal shape. The cast-on stitch rose is complete. Let's look at the finished result.